Hello, my name is Lee Coleman from Hughes Coleman Injury Lawyers. Today I want to talk to you about the three most important things to do immediately after a car accident and how a Bowling Green auto accident attorney can help. First, following an accident, you need to report your injuries first to the investigating officer and then to any doctors, hospitals, emergency rooms that you see for treatment. Make sure you report all of your injuries, and then you need to get treatment for those injuries so that later on you can prove your injuries. Plus, by getting treatment, you'll hopefully make the best physical recovery you can make. Second, you need to make sure that you understand your auto insurance situation, also your health insurance situation. But start with your auto insurance information by reporting the accident to your agent, and make sure your agent explains the coverages you have to you. Those coverages should be in your policy information. What we call the declarations page lays out all the coverages you have. You may have coverages for lost wages, for medical bills, possibly for an uninsured motorist if the person who caused the accident doesn't have insurance. That's all available through that insurance. Start with your agent and then read what you have. And then third, in order to get the best results and have the best experience through this, hire an experienced personal injury lawyer who does this for a living, and they'll be able to help you. Our clients have a team of highly experienced personal injury attorneys on their side, advocating for their needs and helping to ensure that they receive the highest possible compensation. If you've been injured by someone else's negligence, we're here for you 24/7. Take control and call us today at 800-800-4600. For additional helpful tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel.